Let's make flatbread and then pizza. Here are your flatbread ingredients. To a bowl, add flour, baking powder, salt, honey, oil, water, a little at a time. Mix to form a dough. Oil rolling surface. Place the dough on surface. Knead the dough until smooth and pliable. Place the dough into bowl. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Remove rested dough. Cut into 4 equal pieces. Roll into 10-inch disc. Lightly oil pan over medium heat. Place dough disc into pan. Cook until golden on one side. Flip and cook other side. Cook other dough discs as first. There you have it. Now for pizza. Select your desired toppings and prep them for use. I chose pizza sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, basil, and laughing cow cheese. Take one of your flatbreads and spread it with pizza sauce. Place pepperoni on top of the pizza sauce.
Cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio.
Cover with shredded mozzarella cheese.
Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle turbando al riposo.
This is pizza number 1. Take another of your flatbreads and spread it with pizza sauce.
Fra guerrieri può far bacco,
add basil leaves.
Collo dritto, l'uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango, una marcia per il fango.
Dot the pizza with pieces of laughing cow cheese.
Colonnevi e salioni al concerto di tromboni, di bombate e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar.
Add some pepperoni.
Quei pennacchini non più avrai, quel cappello non più avrai, quella chioma non più avrai, quell'aria brillante.
Add some shredded mozzarella cheese.
Notte giorno di torno girato, delle belle turbando.
This is pizza number 2. Place the pizzas into a preheated 450 degree Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius oven. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese is melted and slightly brown. Please enjoy, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.